geared towards more of our concretes, general contractors, anybody that does surface prep or decorative coatings. We do sell self-leveling overlayments. These are going to be all sorts of different pad attachments for, I think these are for our HTC grinders. That's a newer line that we just brought in. Shop blast media for anybody doing shop blasting, surface prep.
You have everything. This is the mega huge store.
we try to deal
No,
with
for real.
yes.
I live close to Orlando, but it's nothing like this in Orlando.
Well, that's the great part too. As much as I love having you here and you visiting, we'll ship to you. We'll help you out. You know, when you can't come in. So these are going to be a lot of the accessories and the products that are going to be used in the concrete industry. So you have a lot of repair materials and all of the accessories that go along with that. A lot of coatings, so like your epoxies, but then your maintaining products. So your densifiers, your cleaners. These are all going to be over here. Squeegees, rollers, any sort of concrete stains. We also carry those. And then back here is where all the bigger equipment is. And the diamond tooling, anything that goes into surface prep. So we have ceramic tooling, diamond tooling, resins. If you're using a hand grinder, we have the cup wheels that go along with that. For edging. We do sell the hand grinders as well.
Oh, I love that machine. The S26.
Yes, the vacuum.
And you rent it too?
We do.
Excellent.
Yes. And we have to rent you it. If you rent a grinder, you have to take a vacuum with it. You have to stay OSHA compliant.
Yeah, of course.
Yes. So you can see we try to cater to everybody. And these are going to be your epoxies, the different decorative coatings. We do sell moisture mitigation kits too for concrete.
Okay.
So the Vapor Solve line.
Great.
Yes. And then PPE, we have brought on an insane amount of safety.
Excellent.
Within the past year.
Good.
Yes.
And different type of glove. I heard that. You have everything now.
Tons of gloves. So you need nitrile, you need latex, you need something that's going to have a different kind of grip, you need something with a little bit more puncture resistance, rubber up to your armpits, whatever you need, we're going to have something for you. So we have shoe covers, gloves, respirators.
I need shoe covers too.
Eye protection, tons of eye protection, coveralls. So it really just depends. Safety vests. We have vests, hard hats.
Okay.
So safety is going to be a big thing, and I can actually grab you a buyer's guide. There you go.
Fantastic. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Not a problem. Like I said, all sorts of different eyewear. We want you guys to stay as safe as possible, right?
Yep.
And then this is where it gets into more of, well, I mean, you guys use air scrubbers, you use
Yes.
humidifiers, so.
Do you have a filter for the air scrubber?
Yeah.
The brand is Aero America.
Okay, do you know what size it is?
24 by 24.
We do. We have the HEPA
And I'm
filters
looking
and then the polys.
I'm looking for the carbon one. Do you have it?
We do.
Okay, good.
Grab some
Later
before you leave? Yeah.
later you show me that because I need that for my machine.
We also we got power distribution kits. So if you're needing generators or anything that's gonna provide power to any of your equipment, we do have those, as well as the different hookups and adapters to them.
Good.
These are gonna be just your filters for your dehues, your air scrubbers, any sort of containment products that you need. So adhesive sprays, poly sheeting. We do have zip wall pulls, mid-X products over here as well. Builder board, resin.
Good. You have the seat wall. That's good.
We also have mid-X too, which is going to be a little bit more cost effective for you guys. Same quantities too. You can get them in a 2-pack or a 12-pack for zippers.
Okay.
Walk-off mats, which are really great to put in front of a customer's house, so you're not bringing anything in.
Yep.
Yeah. So any tapes that your heart desires, we probably have on hand for you. And then we also carry industrial strength odor counteractant.
Okay, this is what I'm thinking. Why this doesn't go into the carpet? Because this is different, right?
Yes. So you can use these and apply these in a couple different ways. We do have thermal foggers and ULV foggers that you can use to apply these with.
I like this product.
Those are fantastic, especially if you have cars that need to be done.
Okay.
Put those in there.
But there is something like this, but to treat a pet odor in a house, or I can use the same one.
We have a couple different ones that you can use.
But the same fogger, like foggers?
Yeah, you can use a fogger.
Okay.
We even have something called ProCure, which is right over here. And this is I know.
This is the bomb.
All sorts of drying equipment. We have air movers, dehumidifiers. We walked past the foggers too. Right here. We got the thermal foggers, the ULV foggers. These are going to be hydroxyl generators, and then your ozone generators. So hydroxyl generators are nicer in an environment that cannot be, like you can't remove plants, pets, people. You can use this around living creatures, so that's, it's safe. It's not emitting any ozone.
Okay.
Your drying equipment, we have a whole bunch of drying equipment.
Okay.
All right, and then the ProCure that I was referring to, so this is going to be chlorine dioxide. And there's two different products available, two different types. Your liquid, which is going to be for deodorization and disinfection. And then your gas, which is going to strictly be more so your deodorizer. So based on the cubic feet that you're treating, if it's like a smaller area like you had mentioned, you simply put it in, and I have one right here. You simply open up the pack, drop in this little pouch right here, and on the bottom here it's waffled. That's where it's going to absorb into the water's going to absorb into the pack.
Okay.
And you just fill the cup, and the cup comes for free, so you're not lugging in a whole bunch of equipment. This is your equipment when you're using this.
Wow.
Right? So you fill this up with water up to here, throw in the pack. You're going to make sure there's no light coming in there. It's going to work best that way. About an hour, this is going to start emitting gas. Leave it overnight, come back.
And that will treat what exactly? Mold?
Odors.
Okay.
If you have mold, you're going to need something more like this. This is going to be your disinfectant and deodorizer. And that's something that you would actually go in and spray.
But you need to buy this in order to get this?
No, we have different sprayers available. You can do something like this, but we also have just regular trigger sprayers and bottles for it.
I need that.
We got you. We got you.
Okay.
And then I have
Show
some
me more.
information. I'll give you some more information.
Good, good. Oh, I love
There
it.
you go.
Excellent.
All right. So then over here we have our mold stain removers, your disinfectants,
Okay.
antimicrobials, your mold resistant coatings.
There is, I have a shower that has a really bad stain on mold, black mold, and I treat it with the regular chlorine, but I need something stronger that I just can spray it and leave and they do the job for me. I don't want to start scrubbing. Do you have something?
What surface is it on?
It's tile and grout in the shower.
Okay. I have something that's a peroxide-based cleaner,
Okay.
and that's going to be by Fiberlock. Something like this is going to help lift it, and over time, the longer you let it sit, it's just going to keep doing its job. So I have something like this, but then I also have.
But it smells strong, that product?
It's bleach free, so it's not going to be caustic.
Okay.
You can even use this outside if you need to.
Okay.
Like pavers, I know people use it on their pavers outside when they have their mold staining with it.
Okay.
So that does work really well.
Okay.
And then we have any sort of disinfectant you could possibly want.
Okay.
Your mold resistant coatings, mastic removers, more poly. And then like I had mentioned to you before, at every one of our locations, there's certain items that...
How many locations do you have?
13 nationwide. 13. So if it's in a major city, chances are we're there.
Yeah.
Okay? So usually in every location we have kind of a section that has a clearance item.
I got
Clearance
it.
is a terrible word to use because
No.
it's like, look at this.
It's brand new. I thought it was brand new.
It's almost brand new. For whatever reason, somebody didn't want it. It goes through our service department, make sure it works,
Exactly.
and then we're able to sell it.
Good.
See a little bit
And I heard that you finance too.
We do. We have a bunch of different financing options.
Good. Excellent.
Yep. Here's another air scrubber. There's that big one.
Yeah. It's something like that but another brand.
Okay.
American Space, something like that.
Okay. Here's that carbon filter.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And these are going to be a little more safety, so we have safety harnesses.
And this is what size? Oh.
This one's 24 by 24.
24 by 24.
Yep.
Yeah, excellent.
Yep. We also have the HEPA filters too, for the 24 by 24 units.
Yeah, good.
Yep. And then over here is going to be a little bit of an extension of our safety line. We have harness.
Harness.
Yep. Those are going to be over here as well. And then.
And do you have that machine that I was talking about, the restoration?
Which one?
The extreme.
Oh, the extreme extractor. I don't have one on hand.
Yeah. Do you ship?
We do.
Show me your ship department. Can you?
In the warehouse. I can take you to the door. I can't take you in just because of safety reasons.
Oh, okay.
This is Ivan. He's actually our warehouse manager.
Hi.
And every Jon-Don location also has a seminar space. I know Hector had brought you in there.
Can you show me that?
Yes, of course.
So you do classes, right?
Yes.
And certifications.
Yes, we do. So each Jon-Don space has a seminar room. We do have IICRC classes at every location. So depending on what you're needing, what certification, we'll, our website has all the schedules for every location too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then every location also has a truck mount sales representative too.
So you install?
We do. We install, we sell and install.
And you repair too?
We do, yep. Every location has a service department as well.
Good.
So this is going to be the shipping department.
Nice.
And there.
Good.
And then this is our service department back here. So even if you didn't buy the equipment from us, we'll still service it. So don't feel that if you didn't buy it from us, we're not going to touch it. Nothing like that. We're here to help you guys. Get you guys up and running, making money, right? So from vacuum cleaners to truck mounts, dehumidifiers, portables, fans, whatever you have, they'll be able to help get you taken care of.
Well, thank you. I really appreciate your time.
Yeah, it was a pleasure.
Oh yeah. So I'm gonna upload this on my channel, and I will start shopping right now.
Awesome. Yeah, let's get you a cart.
Yeah. Oh, this is a really good product that I need now.
Tile and grout cleaning product.
Today.
Rick.
Okay, I need some help.
Uh-oh.
You got a minute?
Yeah,
Sure. Thank you.
grab a cart if you need anything.
Yeah.
Let me know,
Okay. They are really friendly, and they have all the new technology here. They have coffee. Woohoo! And you can check Jon-Don. And thank you for watching. Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. Bye.